Welcome, quizzers and coaches, to the JBQ Quiz Talk podcast. Here's your host, Dan Anderson.
All right, welcome. I know you're excited. Wow, what better things can I be doing today than learning more about the program that we all know and love called EZScore for Bible quiz. Well, hey, this video specifically is to walk you through how to load data onto your tablet. So whether you're the person setting up the database or the league or district coordinator has done it, and you have been tasked with going ahead and loading data into the tablets to keep score, this video series is just for you. I'm going to try to do this in a couple of videos so I don't make it too long, but this will be the intro video. So a lot of times when you go ahead and open your tablet, depending on the configuration of individual tablets, the first thing you might run into is this device configuration issue. And I know as much as people hate to do this, especially people who are very analytical, we're just going to hit continue anyway. And that's what you do. So we're going to hit continue. Maybe we're going to hit continue. Recording in progress. There we go. We're going to hit continue. And they're going to say, hey, there's a new version available. And yes, try to keep up. The guys at BibleQuiz.com work diligently, hours, to make sure that this software is working. Doesn't have problems? Certainly. They're volunteers. They dedicate and they volunteer their time to do this stuff for us. Their goal, just like mine, is to make Bible Quiz as easy as possible and efficient in use of your time as a parent or volunteer. We don't ever want to take that for granted. So let's go ahead and try to update to this new version. You can see it's downloading an APK. Information's ready. You may be asked to allow the install to proceed. Please approve the update and allow it to proceed. The app should then exit. Now it's going ahead and loading that. Go ahead and click this box down here in the lower right called Install. Sometimes this takes a little longer than maybe what the video shows. That's because I try to cut out some of this delay so that you can just look at it that way. All right, so now you've updated, and there's another way you can check to make sure that you've updated your database. Again, go back to your three bars here, and then you can go down here and just hit check for updates, and your software will automatically check. If you're not sure if there's an update or not out there, it will double check, and here you can clearly see it says this app is up to date. Again, I can would encourage you to keep your software up to date. And conclude this episode of the JBQ Quiz Talk Podcast Tech Tips. That's a mouthful. God bless you. Thank you for all you do for Bible Quiz and helping our families and our students learn God's Word. God bless you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.